Hey, what's up guys? Pocket knives are a common form of EDC, everyday carry gear. There are many different options out there, but which one is the best for you? In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best pocket knives for everyday carry and help you decide which one is right for you. So, watch the full video and don't forget to check out the products link given in the description below. Let's start. This is a military-grade pocket knife. It contains pliers, a screwdriver, and a bottle opener. This is a handy tool that can be used by campers, hikers, and DIY enthusiasts. It is perfect for fathers and sons or for any men who need a handy tool. This tool is useful year-round for a variety of purposes. This pocket knife has a screwdriver bit set that can be used for many different tasks. The bits are stored in a small case that is attached to the knife, and it includes a variety of sizes so that you can find the perfect one for the job. The bits can also be rotated to create a more comfortable grip, and the knife itself is made from durable stainless steel to help ensure that it lasts for a long time. The knife is made of solid stainless steel that is very durable. The black oxide coating on the knife helps to protect it from rust and corrosion. The coating is also very tough and scratch resistant, making the knife a great choice for everyday use. This is a tactical folding knife with a liner lock. The blade is made of high carbon steel, which makes it very durable. The RoverTac folding knife has a discreetly integrated liner lock that securely locks the blade and prevents it from accidentally opening in your pocket. This liner lock is very secure and easy to use, making it a great choice for everyday carry. The Tac multi-tool knife is designed for durability and easy access, with a belt loop on the nylon sheath for fast, convenient access. The knife is perfect for camping, hunting, or other outdoor activities, and the sheath ensures that it is always close at hand. Number 2 is Smith & Wesson Extreme Folding Knife. Smith & Wesson's knives are some of the most popular on the market. They are tough, reliable, and affordable. The knife has a blade that is 3 1/4 inches long, with an overall length of 7 1/2 inches. It weighs approximately 3 1/2 ounces. This knife would be suited for a person with average-sized hands. The blade is made of stainless steel, and the handle is made of plastic. The knife is easy to grip, and the blade is sharp. The blade is made of reliable 7CR17 MOV black oxide, high-carbon stainless steel with a black aluminum handle. The blade is made of high-quality steel that is resistant to rust and corrosion. The black oxide finish on the blade provides extra protection against corrosion and makes the knife look good. The aluminum handle is strong and lightweight, providing a comfortable grip. The knife has a pocket clip for easy access, finger flippers for quick opening, and ambidextrous thumb knobs to make it easy to use with either hand. This makes it a versatile and convenient tool to have on hand, and for everyday use, with the security of the liner lock, you can assure that the blade will not slip. Number 3 is Rush Deer Folding Knife with Clip. This knife is perfect for the outdoorsman or hunter. It is small and easy to carry, but it is also big enough to do some serious damage if needed. The Rush Deer Egg Pocket Knife is made of high-quality stainless steel and G10 handle. The stainless steel provides a sharp, durable blade that will hold its edge well, while the G10 handle provides a strong, textured grip. This knife is perfect for everyday carry as it is lightweight and easy to use. The knife has a closed length of 4.6 inches, an overall length of 8 inches with a blade length of 3.4 inches, and a weight of 4.6 ounces. This knife is designed for quick and easy access with a convenient pocket clip that makes it ideal for everyday carry. The blade is made of stainless steel and the handle is made of anodized aluminum, making it both strong and lightweight. The knife also features a thumb stud for easy one-handed opening and a liner lock for safety. The safety liner lock secures the blade open and prevents unexpected closure. Just press down it, the blade will be closed very freely. The knife has a number of features that make it ideal for keeping in a car. The seatbelt cutter can quickly free someone who is trapped in a car, and the glass breaker can help to escape through a window. The knife is also a utility knife, meaning it can be used for a variety of tasks. This makes it handy for everyday use, not just in emergencies. The Rush Deer warranty promises that if you are not happy with your purchase, you can return it for a full refund. This guarantee is in place to ensure that you are satisfied with your purchase. If for some reason you are not happy with your product, you can return it and receive a full refund. Number 4 is Kershaw Clash Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Clash Pocket Knife is a great knife for everyday carry. This knife has a blade made of 8CR13 MOV stainless steel which has been treated with black oxide to improve its toughness and edge retention. The finish also gives the knife a tactical look. It is also wear-resistant. Textured glass-filled nylon handle scales offer a solid grip with the gentle contour and comfortable in finger grooves. This allows for a more comfortable grip on the knife, providing a better user experience. The textured glass-filled nylon also offers a more solid grip, preventing the knife from slipping out of your hand. This knife has a closed length of 4.25 inches, meaning that the blade is completely retracted and there is no exposed blade. This is a relatively small knife, making it perfect for everyday carry or for use in tight spaces. A partially serrated blade is great for everyday tasks, like opening cardboard boxes or cutting through tougher materials. The serrations on the blade create a saw-like effect, allowing it to cut through tougher surfaces more easily. This makes it perfect for general use around the house or office. The Black Clash is a great tool because it is versatile and can be used for a variety of activities. It is perfect for hikers, as it can be used to cut through branches or vines, and it is also great for hunters, as it can be used to skin an animal. Additionally, the Black Clash is perfect for anglers, as it can be used to remove hooks from fish. And it is also great for mechanics, as it can be used to loosen bolts. Number 5 is Civivi Elementum Pocket Knife. The Civivi Elementum Pocket Knife is a well-crafted and sturdy knife that is perfect for everyday use. This folding knife is designed for everyday carrying and has a 2.9-inch D2 black stonewash blade. The blade is made of durable D2 steel and has a black stonewash finish that protects it from wear and tear. Also, the knife has a Kershaw wood handle. This type of wood is dense and strong, making it an ideal material for a knife handle. The handle is also resistant to weathering and decay, making it a long-lasting option for a knife. The knife has a ceramic, ball-bearing pivot construction that ensures snappy flipping action. This allows the knife to flip open easily and quickly, without getting stuck. The knife's deep carry clip makes it easy to carry, as it sits discreetly and securely in your pocket. The knife is well-balanced and comfortable to hold. The blade is sharp and holds its edge well, making it a great choice for everyday tasks. The high-performing D2 blade provides outstanding strength and edge retention because of its complex alloy composition. This makes it an ideal choice for knives that need to stand up to heavy use, like those used by outdoors enthusiasts or military personnel. The sharpness and durability of the blade also make it a good choice for precision work, like wood carving or precision cutting. The black stonewash finish of this blade is superior to other finishes because it is scratch-resistant. This means that it is less likely to be scratched, which can cause damage to the surface of the knife.